Ecology Laboratory. There are two objectives. When you finish, all of you are able to create the diagrams of carbon cycles, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle, phosphorus cycle, and water cycle form a model ecosystem. The second is explain the relationship of elemental flow in an ecosystem. What is the ecosystem? An ecosystem is a grouping of organisms that interact with each other and their environment. The ecosystem should compose of two components. The first one is biotic factors, and the second is abiotic factors. Abiotic factor is the all living things of organisms, such as plant, animal, fungi, protists, and bacteria. They are two divided into producers and the consumers. And the consumer can divide it into the three categories: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. And the other factors, abiotic factor, that mean the all living things, such as temperatures, nutrients, sunlight, and the pH. Normally, non-living components affects an organisms in environment. A food chain indicates the transfer of energy from producers to a series of organisms which feed upon each other. Okay, in the food chain, it should be started with the producers, such as plants or the phytoplanktons. And then when the consumer eat producer, we just call the primary consumer. In the same way, when the next consumer eat primary consumer, we call that organism is the secondary consumers. A food web is a series of interrelated food chains which provides a more accurate picture of the feeding relationships in an ecosystem. Okay, the energy transfer in the ecosystem is demonstrated in terms of the energy pyramids. In the generally, 10% of energy from the producers can transfer to the next trophic levels, and the 90% of the energy has been lost in the ecosystem. Exercise 7.1. Construct a miniature garden in a closed container. Each student will create a miniature garden inside a sealed container that will not allow water and gases to leak out. Watering is allowed only one time once the garden is created. No more additional waterings. The container will be closed and never open again until the last day of experiment. Okay, record the initial weight of your miniature gardens, and then record the growth and any change in every week. Don't forget to answer the questions in the end of laboratory.